Welcome back to Weekend Prime. Now, East Africa College of Hospitality and Tourism proudly hosted the Premier Hospitality and Tourism Connect East Africa 2025 under the theme Bridging Hospitality and Tourism Supply Chains. The two-day summit brought together leading stakeholders in the hospitality and tourism ecosystem, providing a powerful platform to address industry challenges, explore innovative solutions, and strengthen collaboration across the region.
One of the main things I think is a challenge is that we've treated tourism as a status quo. There are people who feel they cannot go to a certain forum because it has been created by so-and-so. And so that is one thing that is killing us. Let's not politicize tourism. Let's leave bureaucracy aside. Just join together and build an industry that is strong, an industry that has impact.
Now, the other thing that a tourist or whoever it is needs to do to feel when they come to a country, they need to feel safe, okay? As a foreigner, for example, and a foreigner here could be a Congolese or a Sudanese or a Somali, whoever it is. Let's just start with East Africa because we are doing regional before we go continental. How do people feel? How safe do they feel in the country?
The areas which we need to improve in terms of hospitality training are the realignment of the curriculum so that it's able to fit the needs of the market in the industry. And then also there's the issue of incorporating digital training in the industry so that.
Now, let's take a look at what is happening in education and secondary schools in the country.